Hi guys, I'm Dominique Damila and welcome to Domo's World. So in today's video we're going to be doing a curly hair routine. So I'm going to show you guys the hair mask and the hair butter I made and what I use to wash and style my hair. So this is this is either 4th or 5th day hair, and it's not as big and fluffy as it usually is because I haven't gone anywhere and it's just been in a pineapple doing whatever. But without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm just starting by taking down an old-fashioned twist, and then we're going to jump right into the hair mask and some of the benefits that the ingredients has for your hair. So I started by melting some shea butter in a double boiler, and shea butter has vitamins A and E along with some fatty acids that help your hair. And when that's almost completely melted, I added some tea tree oil to increase circulation to the scalp and help promote hair growth. I added about 30 drops or so of the tea tree oil, and then I mixed everything together. And when everything is melted, I just took it off the stove so it can cool down. For the rest of the hair mask, we're going to use mayo, 2 eggs, avocado oil, and honey. Mayo helps add vitamin E, A, D, and biotin to help nourish the hair. And I'm doing a hair mask for 2 people, so there's a lot in here. So you guys can just use 1 egg instead of 2. An egg helps enhance elasticity and add shine. And I'm trying to do like a moisture surge in this hair mask because I had did a protein mask a couple weeks ago and it just made my hair super dry at the ends because it was a lot of protein in it. And the avocado oil rejuvenates and moisturizes the scalp, while the honey moisturizes the hair and locks in shine. Now we're just mixing everything together, and when you fully mix the ingredients, then you're going to add your melted shea butter to it. So before I added the mask, I just shampooed my hair first, because if you shampoo your hair after the mask, you're basically just taking out all the moisture and the protein that you just added. So I used the Diva Curl No Poo Original Shampoo and the Ajua Beauty Shampoo. Then I just separated my hair into 4 sections and I applied the mask, making sure to get my ends all the way up to my roots, and then I just massaged it into my scalp. While the hair mask is in my hair, I just started making the hair butter because it has to stay in my hair for about 30 minutes. I started by cutting up some carrots, ginger, and aloe, and I mixed it in with a cup of avocado oil, and I put it in a double boiler for 30 to 40 minutes or until everything is soft. Carrots has vitamin A and helps improve blood circulation. Ginger aids in hair growth, while aloe prevents itching and reduces dandruff. So in a separate double boiler, I also melted the shea butter and the mango butter. And when everything was ready, I just took everything off the stove and I let everything cool down. And when everything is cooled down, I just took the carrot mixture and I blended it all together. And then I took an old pantyhose that I had at the moment and I squeezed out all the liquids. I believe you guys can use a cheesecloth or whatever you guys have handy at the moment. After it sat in the fridge for 30 minutes, I took it out and I blended everything together in a KitchenAid, and I also added some more tea tree oil to the mixture. And when I blended everything together, I just put it back in the fridge for another 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, I just added it back to the KitchenAid and it turned into the hair butter, and I just put it in some containers. And you don't just have to use it in your hair, you can also use it on your skin. So after my hair butter is made, I just went and I rinsed out my hair mask using my One Condition Original by Diva Curl, and I also used my Diva Curl One Condition Decadence. And when I come out the shower, I wrap my hair in an old t-shirt because it's better for your hair than a towel. So after I take my hair down, I just split it in half and I put one side up while I work on the side that's down. So I put that half up and then I section the half that's down into half again. So I am basically working in quarter sections on my head. So the first product I'm going to use is my Miss Jessie Honey Curl. And I use as much product as I think my hair needs. I'm not going to sit here and tell you use a quarter size amount or a dime size amount. Use how much ever you think your hair needs. And I just try to rake that through my hair as much as possible. And then if my hair feels a little dry, I just use my spray bottle, and that has water and conditioner mixed into it. Next, I'm going to use my Miel Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. And then I just do that to the rest of the sections. So I just let my hair air dry as much as possible. I wasn't really doing anything. So this is the next morning. My hair is still a little damp, but I went in with my hair butter that we made just to moisturize it, and I did diffuse it a little bit so it can fully dry. Then I went in with my pick just to fluff it up a little bit. I didn't fluff it up too much because my hair does get puffier throughout the week. So this is the finished product. And I also did my edges, but I don't do too much with my edges when my hair is down because nobody's really seeing it and I didn't really go anywhere. But I either use Eco Styler Gel or I use a Shine and Jam Silk Edges. And I think I used the one with olive oil in it, so it's a green container. But this is the final product. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was helpful for most of you guys. So like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of hair products you guys use, because I've been wanting to try some new hair products, but I don't really know which ones to go for. So let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.